What if everything you were taught about money was incomplete? Most people work their entire lives for money, but the rich learn how to make money work for them. Today, we'll explore the most powerful lessons from the best-selling book, Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. These ideas have changed the way millions of people think about money. Lesson 1. The rich don't work only for money, meaning poor and middle-class people work mainly to earn a salary. Rich people build systems and investments that can earn money, even when they are not working. Example, Rahul works 10 hours every day and gets paid only for those hours. Amit spends time building an online business that can continue earning even while he sleeps. The difference is not effort, it is how they earn. Lesson 2. The difference between assets and liabilities, meaning an asset puts money into your pocket. A liability takes money out of your pocket. Example, a rental property that brings monthly income is an asset. A luxury car with loan payments, fuel, insurance, and repairs is usually a liability. Always ask, will this make me money or cost me money? Lesson 3. Financial education is more important than high income, meaning a high salary does not automatically make you rich. Knowing how to manage, save, and invest money is more important. Example, one person earns $5,000 a month, but spends everything. Another earns $2,500 and invests every month. After several years, the second person may become wealthier. Lesson 4. Make your money work for you, meaning do not depend only on your job. Learn ways to create passive income. Example, you can earn from investments, a YouTube channel, digital products, rental income, or other businesses. Money should become your employee, not the other way around. Lesson 5. Don't be afraid of mistakes, meaning every successful investor and entrepreneur has made mistakes. The key is to learn from them instead of giving up. Example, a young entrepreneur loses money in the first business, but uses the experience to build a better one later. Failure becomes a lesson. Lesson 6. Keep learning new skills, meaning the more skills you have, the more opportunities you create. Example, learn communication, sales, investing, technology, leadership, and problem solving. Skills can increase your income for more than waiting for a salary raise. Lesson 7. Spend less than you earn, meaning many people become poor because they increase their spending whenever their income increases. Example, someone gets a salary raise and immediately buys expensive things. Another person invests the extra money. Years later, their financial lives look completely different. Lesson 8. Buy assets before luxury, meaning first, build income-producing assets, then enjoy luxury from the income those assets generate. Example, instead of buying an expensive phone with borrowed money, invest first and let your investments help pay for future purchases. Final message. The biggest lesson from Rich Dad Poor Dad is simple. Don't just work for money. Learn about money, build assets, invest in yourself, and make your money work for you. Financial freedom begins with the decisions you make today. If you enjoyed this video and want more simple book summaries about money, psychology, and success, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and remember, the best investment you can ever make is investing in yourself.